Hi, my name is Martin Moore, and I'm 22 years of age. I hail from the indigenous land of Montego Barcelona. My village is well known or should I say, home to a lot of rugby players nowadays. Namely, Manambao, Tewita Kuntandi, Nasib Silang, and all favorites. Nandruku, Monandruku, and Rajapuri. Actually, I'm residing at Value Police compound. Okay, about my family, my mom, she doesn't work, she lives at home. She's the one doing all cooking, cleaning, and she's the one who looks after us day and night. My dad is a police officer at Asino, situated there at Mapoy. I have two sisters. One younger than me is at International University in Masini. The one next is she's in senior primary, class 7, and I have a sister-in-law who is elder than me, but at the moment I'm the eldest in the family. My last school attendance, secondary school, was way back in Mombasa. I spent 4 years there. Actually, I was born there. I was brought up in Mombasa. My mom's from Honolulu, Buataga. Kindergarten, while I was in Malaysia kindergarten. Then moving up to primary school, it was St. James Primary. I spent 6 years. It was class 1 to class 6. After moving up to Holy Family Secondary, it was in 2004. I spent 4 years there in Holy Family Secondary. After we got shifted to Suva, my dad got transferred to Suva. I attended in the college, back when I was in college, but now it's GNRI. I spent 2 years there. And a few failures just because of not preparing well in school. 8 months attending sports. I had to move down actually to Nursing Secondary because it was close by to Walu. Completing my secondary school level, from 5 and 6. And until now, because in 2018, I did my automotive engineering course from 2018 to 2014. After I thought of changing to IT last year, which was 2015, and until now. I've been to a couple of companies. Worked at companies. I started working when I was in Team 6 and from 5. I did Kawashiki. After Kawashiki, I worked at Supatam Concept. My job there was street cleaning up from Turak to Supa. After working there, I went to try out the Ramsami and Chance Company. My job there was food processing. Then I went to Scarfox. I did a few jobs at Scarfox, Universal Industries in Value, and I did a few. The traditional I did was in Okidale in Namuka. And the recent work that I'm doing right now is a DJ at Pasba at Volib, just beside the Volib police station. Just after I finish my classes, I have only 1 hour to prepare before I start my work at 5 and I finish off at 1.
We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep.
Okay, what do you love the most? Some people might go into food, favorite food, favorite drinks. For me, anything that comes across, as long as it is food, as long as it fills my stomach, yes, I love it. Secondly, I love music. Music, well, helps me relax my body and mind, takes me to my own world, and with that I like all genres, any genre. Music is not about beats and music, I mean, yeah, the instruments they are playing, it's all about the lyrics. You need to understand the lyrics in order for you to love music. And with that comes dancing. I love dancing. That is why I love to go network. Mostly I don't do that, but I listen to music and sketches. That's what a lot of people is interested of me. You will find I like to socialize with people. Yeah, and we find that I'll be uploading videos. There's a video of me on YouTube or Facebook.
I can't get you off my mind. I try so hard to
And with that, I would like to close off with this special video. Hope you enjoyed. Okay. Well, my future plans. Well, I thought of after I complete my diploma in IT networking, I thought of going to Cisco. After this, there is my parents told me to after I complete everything, but actually I'm trying to gain more experience in future, gain more knowledge. And my other plans, as long as I get a job, a good job at this line of IT, good job. If you want to know more about me, you will see that I love it. If you my venue or you come at home in the PT, it is where I come in. I love to make people laugh.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah. Sometimes it's pretty clear she ain't
no size 2, but she can shake it like she's supposed to do. Cause she got that boom boom that all the boys chase. Got all the right junk in all the right places. We see the magazines working at Photoshop. We know that shit ain't real, come on now make it stop. If you got that beauty, then raise it up. Cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my father told me don't worry about her size, cause all us guys like a little more booty to hold at night. She won't be no stick figure silicone Barbie doll. And if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, Hey, she's bringing booty back. Go ahead and tell them skinny bitches that no more joking, never say you're fat. Cause I'm here to tell you every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my father, he told me don't worry about the size. He said it's cause like a little more booty to hold at night. That booty, that booty. She won't be no stick figure silicone Barbie doll. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, Yeah, you know about that bass. Woo, yeah, you know about that bass.
Yo, Wes, dude, the song's over. It's done.